As a university student, you have a lot on your plate, from attending classes, completing assignment, not to mention all the administrative tasks like checking grades, managing financial aid, and accessing tons of other university services. Keeping track of everything you need to do can be overwhelming, but don't worry, because that's where Academica comes in. Academica is Wayne State University's single sign-on portal, providing secure access to various university systems and services. To access Academica, open your browser and navigate to www.wayne.edu and click Login. Alternatively, you can access the login page by navigating to login.wayne.edu. On the login page, enter your Access ID and password. Your Access ID is your unique 6-character alphanumeric username assigned to you upon admission to Wayne State. Wayne State University uses Microsoft Multi-Factor, and we recommend using the Microsoft Authenticator app, which you'll be guided through on your first login. You must first set up MFA before you can access Academica or any systems that uses Wayne State's single sign-on, such as your university email, Canvas, Zoom, and so on. If you haven't already set up MFA, head over to tech.wayne.edu/2FA for more information on how to set up MFA on your account. The portal is divided into 3 sections. On the left-hand side, you will find links to many systems and services. By clicking on the Student Resource section, you can explore the various services available to you as a student, such as student records, financial aid, course registration, bill payments, and more. In the center, you will see Streams. This is Academica's built-in messaging system. Streams are how you learn what others are talking about and how you collaborate with your fellow warriors. You can follow streams based on classes, groups, interests, resources, and more. At the top is Academica's navigation bar. From here, you have direct access to various systems such as Campus Daily Screener, Canvas for your online courses, as well as access to your university email and Microsoft 365 on the web. You can also view all your alerts and notifications, configure your user settings, and finally, if you ever need help on how to use Academica, you can click on the help icon and you'll be redirected to C&IT's knowledge base articles. As we conclude this video, let's quickly walk through the process of logging into Academica for the first time. When you first log into Academica, you'll be prompted to set up multi-factor authentication for added security. To begin the setup process, simply click the Next button. We recommend using the Microsoft Authenticator app for the most convenient MFA experience. Once you've installed it, click Next on your browser to begin adding your account. Open the app and click Add Account and then select Work or School Account. Next, go back to your browser and click the Next button to begin generating a QR code. Now on the app, select Scan QR Code and then scan the code. This will connect the app with your account. Now go back to the browser and click Next for verification. You'll soon receive a push notification from Microsoft to verify your account. Make sure to select Approve on the app when the notification arrives. That's it, your account is now secured. After successfully setting up MFA, the next step is to set up an email alias or name. Choose a unique name and click Submit once you're done. Alternatively, you can keep your default email address, which is your Access ID at wayne.edu, by clicking on the Skip button. Following that, you'll be prompted to set up a recovery email address, which should be a personal email address that you have access to. This will be used for self-service password resets. Once you've entered your recovery email, click the Submit button. Lastly, you'll be asked to fill out a self-identification form. You can either choose to submit it immediately or at a later time.